Hello, I'm Steve. This is Bit of Munch. Now, I've done a few things lately that have been well, a bit on the pricey side, haven't they? So I thought I'd do something right at the other end of the scale today. Because I've got Pukka jerk chicken slice, which was only £1 from Morrisons. £1, a quid, a pound. Yeah, now I think this is new. It didn't say new on the label, but I know I've never tried it before, I've never seen it before, I've definitely never reviewed it before because I've checked. So, you know, as far as I'm concerned, it's new. It might not be. Might just have slipped under my radar somehow, but my food radar. Right, so what we've got, eat hot or cold. And according to the front of the pack here, it says it's a 2 out of 3 chili rating. Jerk seasoned chicken, sweet potato and black turtle beans wrapped in puff pastry. It's 140 grams. And your percentages on the ingredients. Got chicken 13%, sweet potato 5%, black turtle beans 4%, Caribbean style paste 2%. A few other things as well. I think this is on the Morrisons website. I'm pretty sure it is. So, you know, you can have a look at the ingredients if you want to, all the nutrition and all that. If you're really worried about nutrition on something like this, it's not going to be good for you, is it? Let's face it. What does it say round this side? Ready to eat. But if you do want to heat, oven cook 15 minutes, microwave 1 minute 10 seconds. Very precise, isn't it? Well, I'm not doing either of those. As usual, I'm totally ignoring the pack and I'm going to air fry it. 15 minutes in the oven, so it'll probably take about 10 minutes in the air fryer, won't it? I'll let you know how long it takes anyway. So, let's have a look at it. Seem to have pulled it apart a bit there. Never mind. As I was undoing it, look. I won't pull it apart anymore at the moment. I'll do that when I've cooked it. Right. That's in the air fryer drawer, which was ready and waiting for it. Produced in the UK for Pukka Pies Limited. Yep, nothing else on there I can inform you about. So I'll get that heated up. I'll let you know how long it takes. And we'll give it a try. Okay, there it is. That's what it looks like. Not a huge amount of filling by the looks of it, but it's all about the taste, isn't it? I did this for 11 minutes at 180 in the air fryer. And this has been sitting here with the lid off for about, I don't know, 3 or 4 minutes to cool down. So we'll put his lid back on and we'll give it a try. Pukka jerk chicken slice. To chili rating. I'm not picking up any chili whatsoever at the moment. In fact, I'm hardly picking up any flavour at all at the moment. Yeah, how weird. There's nothing wrong with the pastry, but it's that filling. And no, there's nothing wrong with me. I haven't lost my taste buds through some mysterious illness, because I've just eaten a banana. I can taste that fine. But yeah, this got, well, let's have another bite. Right from the middle, so maximum filling, hopefully. This is a big letdown. Big letdown. There might be just the tiniest bit of chili at the back of the throat, or I might just be imagining that, I don't know. But it's got hardly any flavour. Okay, I'll give it one more bite, one more chance to redeem itself. Actually, no, I won't. I'll have a bite from the other half. They might have put all the flavour in one half of it, you never know. It's pretty unlikely, isn't it? Let's face it. No wonder it was only £1. Oh dear. Well, that's got to be one of the worst slices I've ever tried. Right, let's sum up properly, shall I? It's one of those where I think I've said it all, but I'm going to sum up anyway. Pukka jerk chicken slice. Only £1 from Morrisons. So it's a good price for a slice. It says on the pack it's a 2 chilli rating. I'm not picking up any chilli whatsoever. I'm hardly picking up any flavour whatsoever of anything. And yeah, as far as these slice things go, slices, pasties, whatever you want to call them, that's one of the worst ones I've ever tried. Oh dear, what a shame. So, there it is. There's the packaging again, so you know what to avoid. Okay, drop your comments down below. Thanks for watching. And nothing else I can say about that one. I will eat it, but I definitely won't buy another one. Oh, no way. Yeah, if you've liked this video, please hit the like button and drop your comments down below. But remember, if you haven't got anything nice to say, don't say anything at all. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.